Nailing plates to studs might sound easy, but messing it up can totally wreck your wall's strength and even get you in trouble with building codes. So, first off, always make sure you're nailing into the actual stud, not just guessing where it is. Use a stud finder or knock on the wall to hear the solid spots. Don't just slap a couple nails in. They use enough nails spaced evenly so the plate and stud are locked tight. Try to keep your nails straight and not at a wild angle, because skewed nails don't hold as well and can loosen over time. Also, avoid putting nails too close to the edge of the plate or stud, since that can split the wood, making it weaker. Hammer the nails all the way in so they sit flush or just below the wood surface. If they stick out, they won't hold properly and could cause issues later. If you're working with pressure-treated wood, use the right nails so they don't rust and mess up the joint. And always check local building codes to know exactly how many nails per joint you need. Cutting corners here can cost you big in inspections or repairs. One of the biggest mistakes is using too few nails. This makes the joint weak and can cause your wall to wobble or fail inspections. The fix? Use the recommended number of nails per stud, usually 3 or more spaced evenly. Another common goof is missing the stud completely when nailing the plate, which means your wall won't be anchored right. To avoid this, double-check stud location before hammering. Last, skewed nail angles are a problem because they don't grip well and can pop out over time. Just hammer those nails straight in for a solid hold every time. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and follow code like pros. Contractors also get a steady stream of real jobs there, making it easier to grow their business without wasting time chasing leads.